How to contact Shopify customer support. So all you have to do is to go to your shopify.com. Just go to your desktop and type there shopify.com. Now after that, you will be directed to here, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is you can actually scroll all the way down here up until you see this green area here, and there's actually a lot of options here. I want you to focus here on support, and here you can choose it's either Shopify Help Center or 24/7 support. But the thing is, it will actually ask you to log into your account. So it will look like this. As you can see, I have logged in my account. So after logging in, it will look like this. You will be directed here to your Shopify Help Center. Now, if you want to search for documentations here, you can actually type there your problem or what issue you want to ask help for. Or you can actually choose your problem here if it's under here. Apps for Shopify Store, Shopify Markets, Experts Marketplace, Shopify Community, so on and so forth. And if you can find the answers you're looking for, there you can actually tap Contact Shopify Support here and then tap on select an option for support here. Let's just tap our store here and then tap here your problem. So let's say you have a account problem and then you have an issue under logging in. So let's say you forgot your password here. It will actually give you the instruction on how to address a problem. And basically that is how you contact Shopify customer support, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.